This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Samsung model and Android version so you know whether Game Booster is a system app or part of Samsung Game Launcher. Open Settings and search for apps immediately. Don't detour into unrelated menus. Once done, tap the three-dot menu and choose Show System Apps so hidden services appear. Make sure you have battery and a quick backup of game data because some removals can reset preferences. Now locate Game Launcher or Game Booster in the apps list to begin. You'll now decide whether to disable or uninstall. If uninstall is available, choose it. If not, tap disable to stop the service and save battery. If only updates uninstall, remove updates first to revert to the factory package, then disable. Clear cache and clear data to remove lingering settings. Tap storage, then those buttons. If the disable button is grayed out, use ADB removal steps or a simple package disabler app as a next measure. Proceed carefully and follow prompts. Finish by rebooting your phone so changes fully apply and background services stop. If disabling was blocked, connect to a PC and run an ADB command to uninstall the package. You must enable developer options and USB debugging first. Once removed, reinstall any needed games and check performance. If something breaks, open Settings right arrow apps right arrow reset app preferences to restore crucial services without user data loss. One key troubleshooting tip. If system instability appears, restore the app via Samsung Galaxy Store or a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.